Title: The Collapse of South Korea's Stock Market Boom, a Potential Harbinger. Intro music, Midnight to 0:30. Host: Welcome to Market Insights, the podcast where we delve into the world of finance and explore the trends shaping the global economy. I'm your host, Naim, and today we're discussing the spectacular collapse of South Korea's stock market boom. Joining me is financial analyst's name. Welcome to the show. Segment 1, Introduction to the topic, 0:30 to 5 o'clock. Host: South Korea's stock market has been on a remarkable run, with the benchmark Kospi index surging over 20% in the past year. However, the tide has turned, and the market is now experiencing a sharp correction. What's behind this sudden collapse? Analyst's name. Analyst: The South Korean market was driven by a combination of factors, including a strong export-led economy, low interest rates, and excessive speculation. However, as the global economic outlook has begun to deteriorate, investors have become increasingly risk-averse, leading to a sharp sell-off in the market. Segment 2, Analysis of the Collapse, 5 to 1500 hours. Host: The Kospi index has plummeted over 10% in the past month, with many stocks experiencing even steeper declines. What are the implications of this collapse, and how might it affect the broader economy? Analyst: The collapse of the stock market boom in South Korea may have far-reaching consequences, including a decline in consumer spending and a slowdown in economic growth. Furthermore, the excessive leverage in the market has increased the risk of a systemic crisis, which could have a ripple effect on the global economy. Segment 3, Broader Implications, 1500 hours, 25:00. Host: Some analysts are warning that the collapse of South Korea's stock market boom may be a harbinger of a larger global trend. What are your thoughts on this? Analyst's name. Analyst: The South Korean market is often seen as a bellwether for the global economy, and the current collapse may be a sign of a broader market correction. With many economies facing similar challenges, including rising debt levels and slowing growth, the collapse of the South Korean market may be a warning sign for investors to exercise caution. Conclusion: 25:00, 28:00. Host: Thank you, Analyst's name, for sharing your insights on the collapse of South Korea's stock market boom. As we've discussed, this event may have significant implications for the global economy, and investors would be wise to take heed. Tune in next time for more market insights and analysis. Outro music will start playing, and we'll be back with another episode soon. Outro music, 28:00, 29:00. Note: the script is approximately 350 words, and the estimated timing is based on a 30-minute podcast. The actual timing may vary depending on the pace of the conversation and the inclusion of additional segments or interviews.